Hello students, one of the very tough rationalization problem, but here no need to apply the rationalization because all the values are only in the numerator. But question is x equal to 2 plus root 5 whole power half, fractional power, that is very important, that is the reason for it is very tough, and 2 minus root 5 whole power half. Because of plus sign and minus sign, this is one of the very tough sum, but if you follow the simple technique you can easily find the correct answer. And another expression is 2 root 5 whole power half, 2 root 5 whole power half minus 2 root 5 whole power half. Both are conjugate to each other. The first value is assigned by x and second value is assigned by y. Correct. Question is x square plus y square. So x square plus y square you have. So what is the formula for x square plus y square? X square plus y square equal to x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. So in this expression you have only two pattern, one is sum of the values, another one is product of the values. So add both the values, reduce into simplest form, multiply both the values, reduce into simplest form, substitute here, you will get the correct answer. Clear? Now if you add these two cases, so this is given x equal to 2 plus root 5 whole power half plus 2 minus root 5 whole power half, and y equal to 2 plus root 5 whole power half minus, correct. If we add these two cases, so what is x plus y? These two gets cancelled, correct. These two gets cancelled, therefore 2 times 2 plus root 5 whole power half, 2 plus root 5 whole power half, 2 times 2 plus root 5 whole power half, this is 1. Clear? So some value calculated. Next, product xy equal to x. So what is x? 2 plus root 5 whole power half plus 2 minus root 5 whole power half into y. What is y? 2 plus root 5 whole power half minus 2 minus root 5 whole power half. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So what is a? A is nothing but 2 plus root 5 whole power half and 2 minus root 5 whole power half. Now 2 gets cancelled. Clear? Now what is the final expression now? 2 plus root 5 minus, very important, don't forget this bracket, 2 minus root 5, okay, which is equal to 2 plus root 5 minus 2 plus root 5. These two gets cancelled, sorry, 2 minus root 5 whole power 2, which is equal to 2 plus root 5 minus 2 plus root 5. 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, 2 root 5. This value calculated and this value calculated. Substitute 1 and 2, substitute 1 and 2 in equation 1. So what is the required value? X square plus y square, which is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. X plus y the whole square minus 2xy. What is x plus y? Just now calculated. 2 into 2 plus root 5 whole power half. So which is equal to 2 into 2 plus root 5 whole power half the whole square minus 2 into xy. So what is xy? 2 root 5. 2 root 5. So if you expand this, 2 square, correct, and these two gets cancelled. So 2 root 5 minus 4 root 5, which is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. These two gets cancelled. The final answer is 8. Final answer is 8. One of the tough section D question. Given expression is irrational numbers, binomial irrational number with fractional power, but both are conjugate to each other, but required expression is x square plus y square. So write x square plus y square has x plus y the whole square minus 2xy, and this is in terms of sum and in terms of product. Add both the given numbers, reduce into simplest form, multiply both the numbers, reduce into simplest form, and substitute these two cases from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. You can find the value of x square plus y square. So these are all the repeated board question whenever the paper is very tough. Thank you.